oras na ika'y aking kapiling.
Noel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Sinulat ang tulang gawa sa aking himig, para lahat ng tao ay makarinig ng aking damdamin. O ang aking damdamin. At dahan-dahan tayong lilipad. Ibubulong ko sa iyo, tibok nitong aking puso.
When we first met at that paddle out for Lenny back in 2022, I had no idea a single conversation would lead us to where we are now. Since then, we have built our little center, our little home, and our little family with nga Rudy the Doggy. I still can't believe all this started with, "Ay ate, ano pala Instagram mo?"
Sa iba ang aking nadarama, para sa'yo aking sinta. Lahat ng bagay ay ating magagawa. Para sa'yo aking sinta. Lahat ng bagay ay ating magagawa.
My baby! We did it! We're finally husband and wife. From the moment I met you in 2022, you never made me feel alone. We've grown from fighting each other, to fighting for each other, to finally fighting together. In our demanding lives, I love how chill and natural our love is. Hindi pilit, walang kailangan patunayan sa ibang tao.
Saan man maglaya, ikaw lang patutunguhan.
Most of all, I promise to choose us over anything else, even when it's hard. As we always say, tayo naman, tayo muna.
A strong marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Ang biyaya ng pagpapatawad ay tanda ng tunay na pag-ibig. Dahil ang pusong marunong umunawa ay pusong marunong magmahal.
Parating ng lapit hapon,
Thank you for being with me from that first unexpected moment to this moment now. Salamat sa hindi pagbitaw. Kahit lahat ng science ay nakaturo sa pagsuko. Salamat sa pagiging aking kakampi sa mundong puno ng kalaban.
Na ikaw ang kapiling ko sa ilalim ng buwan. Kay saya na ikaw ang katabi ko sa pagsikat ng saan man maglaya.
I'm excited for everything life has to offer because now I get to experience it with you. You're my best friend, my greatest love, and my home. Love you, baby.
Ikaw lang patutunguhan. Saan man maglaya. Ikaw lang patutunguhan. Saan man maglaya. Ikaw lang patutunguhan. Saan man maglaya. Ikaw lang patutunguhan. Sa aking pagdating, sa'yo ko lang sasabihin.
I vow to keep building this life with you. I vow to support you in your dreams. I vow to be always by your side and be your biggest fan. You swim, I swim. You paddle, I paddle. You fight, I fight. Hindi ka na malulunod ulit. It's you and me, baby. Love you.
Na